Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today is gnome time. I have gorgeous summer gnomes for you, cards that I have created and a giveaway. So let's get started. I have this paper boutique pack in my shop with all kinds of gorgeous gnome embellishments. So let's take a quick look at this. This is a combined pack with die cuts, and there is a die cut sheet with round die cuts, a die cut sheet with square die cuts. Then there are papers in papers that you can cut apart. So all these beautiful summer gnomes. Then there are borders, sayings, a whole page full of different sayings, more sayings, designer paper, 8 by 8, and solids as well. Solid papers. And then we have inserts, but wait until you see what I did with these. Gorgeous, gorgeous inserts. Now, normally when you have inserts, they are muted in their colors, but these are full color, as you can see. So I didn't use them as inserts. What I have done is I made, I think, gorgeous cards with them. So let's see what I have created. So look what I have done with the inserts. I made slimline cards and they were so quick and so easy. So I have 6 slimline cards here. And what I have done is I used the solid cardstock that comes in the pack, and there are all different colors for my card blanks, and they are 8 by 8. So I folded them in half and now it's an 8 by 4 card. Then I cut off from this insert. So remember, this is the 8 by 8 paper, but then the inserts are A4. So I cut off this part where the gnome sits and added it to the front of my card. There is one of these many greetings that you find in there. Just added a couple of those glittery borders, and then when you open it up, here is the rest of that insert. This is what I have added in here, because this is just enough left to add it to your card, and now you have this beautiful card with an insert all matching. And then what I have done is I found matching cardstock and made myself these envelopes with my new VR Memory Keeper envelope or slimline envelope and card maker. You don't need that tool. You can possibly do it yourself by just getting the measurements and score it. But see, they fit in here nicely, and it wasn't a lot of effort, and I think they look so nice. So let's go through them really quickly, because you can see those gorgeous, adorable gnomes all in these summery colors. And all I have done is added stickers, the tape, and the greeting, and of course the inside, make them look just so finished. Love this artwork. It's so cute. Here they added a couple of paper flowers, but enjoy is part of the pack. You have all these different greetings. Congratulations, enjoy, with best wishes. So, and since all the backgrounds come in different colors, you just see what matches. This is really the fun work, just finding the matching colors. And then there's the inside. Yes, this cute gnome with the teapot in the countryside. Enjoy your special day. So wonderful. Again, just the card blank and then matching inside. And this heart doesn't have the gnome, but isn't this heart pretty? dearest friend. Here I tried, this was actually my first card, and I had cut it already in a way that I didn't think, you know, I just cut this out. I never thought about that to use the whole piece. So that's where you see just one panel in there. But then I learned very quickly that really the paper that you have left over is enough to fill your whole card. So of course you can stretch it by just putting a writing panel like this. But there's more. Okay, so next I made some square cards. This card blank is 5.5 by 5.5. I used the beautiful designer paper that comes in the pack. These cut aparts are in there, so that's why I thought a square card will look nice, because these cut aparts were square. Just added a piece of the solid cardstock there behind it, a little scrap that I had laying around, 3 glittery bling pearls on your special day, and then of course the stickles. And then I also added a writing panel so that we have a little bit more weight to the back of the card too, because there is a lot going on here on the front. I wanted to even it or balance it out by putting something on the back so that you have a substantial card. But this is my first one. Next, here is this cute gnome, and same thing, I have a square card, added some of the first of all I added some of the solid cardstock. This is this darker gray, and then there was a page of 8 by 8 with all the strips. I didn't cut these strips apart, I just left them, and you will see what I did with the rest of it in a minute. But all I have done here is, this is a die that I have, and I tried that out, and I had to lay them around, so just to give it a little bit of a background. Here is one of the many greetings that come in the pack, and a couple of bling. And there we go, another card. And this is my third square card. You can see now here is this page. So I didn't add all these strips together. This is how it comes. So I used that as my background. Added some, here I added some gold mirror cardstock to just give it even more bling. Popped up just this panel, relaxed, then added a little bit of bling, and then again on the back added another panel so that this back piece is a little more stable to, like I said, balance out the weight on those cards. 1, 2, 3 square cards, but there's more. Okay, and then I made a few more cards. Here what I have done, again, I used some of this background paper that had the strips. I cut out this time one of those gnomes from a square piece that's a cut apart, so feel free to cut it out. I just fuzzy cut around it. It was very easy, wasn't very intricate. I punched, or I die cut a couple of hearts from the paper that comes with the pack. Here just a little bit of bling, and then there is my card blank. That's all it is. I had so much fun, and the all the stuff that you find in a pack that will make several cards, more than what I have done here today. I still had so much left. Here's another one. See, this is one of these cut aparts that and I haven't even used the die cuts in the pack. There are also die cuts in there that I haven't even used. But yeah, here's this one. Just playing with the different papers, playing with the stickles on a card blank. It's really just arranging all the different embellishments and supplies. And here is my last one for this one. Happy birthday. And I like that there is some black paper in there as well. Of course it has design on it, but doesn't it look nice when you have sometimes black kind of looks nice with all the different colors. But to finish it off, I wasn't done yet. I made a couple of mini cards that I will add to one of my customers as a thank you. So I cut out this banner with my die and used just a couple of scraps that I had laying around from this pack and made just a small little thank you card and a matching envelope. And then here is another one, also a thank you card, really quick. Just cut out this little piece from one of the sheets and then put a little ink around it, ink the edges, kind of little bow, and made another envelope. And now it is giveaway time. I will give away 2 of these sampler packs full of beautiful paper boutique papers and die cuts. So yeah, to 2 of my US subscribers, and all you have to do is comment on this video and let me know what your favorite paper craft is, and you will be in a drawing. And the winners, the 2 winners, will be announced next Saturday, and then this will go out in the mail as soon as you let me know your mailing address and that you have won. So thank you very much for being my subscriber. Thank you for watching my videos. I know you will enjoy these packs because they're chock full, and I didn't even count. There are, you know, several pages of die cuts and beautiful papers. All the stuff that I have crafted with this spring with the paper boutique. So you will recognize some of the materials. So good luck. And like I said, please comment and you will be in the drawing. And here are all the cards that I have created for today's video. If you like these cards, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to leave a comment, especially if you want to win one of my sampler packs. And please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate your support. But this is all I have for you today. Thank you very much for spending this time with me. Please stay or get well and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.